Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to share our new accessory, Release Sheets. Release Sheets are the perfect tool for releasing your paper from your intricate die cuts. Let's take a look at how these work. So this is our package of them, and I'm just going to rip out a piece. And our piece has a shiny side and a dull side. Your dull side is going to face your die cut. And let's take a look at this die before we cut this out. You can take a look and see all those intricate blades and how close together all of those blades are. So I'm just going to put my piece of paper on my platform, and I am using my chrome precision base plate today just because this is such an intricate die cut. And I have my easy release sheet and my die together. My dull side is facing my die, and I am just going to lay that down. I'm going to finish my Sizzix sandwich, and I'm going to roll that right through my Big Shot machine. Now we can take a look, and you can see that that has already all fallen out of your die cut. Just separate the die cut from the easy release sheet, and you can see how beautifully and easily that cut out in just one pass. And you can just use your die brush or your die pick to remove all these extra pieces. These come in packs of 25 and is the perfect accessory for easily releasing your paper from your intricate die cuts from Sizzix.